spring, you got to try to get over here to connect. And what the trick is once you grab it, even if it's a shorter pair, that's fine too. You get so much leverage.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to M28 Garage. And on this episode of Tools and Products, I want to highlight these hose pliers. These are made by Sunex. Different brands make them. I'll put the link in the description where you can pick you up a set of these. I'm not affiliated or anything, but these are typically used for grabbing hoses, and they work great for that. But I've developed a different use for them, and I'm telling you, they save me so much effort and time. And what I use them for is pulling tensioner springs. And if you've ever tried to pull a bunch of tensioner springs, you know how hard it can be to actually get that string pulled. These things work great. And I've got a little demonstration set up, so I want to get over there and I want to show you. So check.
All right, so I've got a little demonstration set up here. Typical, you know, you got a spring, you got to try to get over here to connect. And what the trick is once you grab it, even if it's a shorter pair, that's fine too. You get so much leverage. And like right here, it gets such a good grip, and it still gives you enough space where you can connect it. So that's this, and you just pull, and you slide it back. And if you've tried putting springs on like this in any application, you know how aggravating it is and how tough it can be. With this, and even taking them off, super easy. You grab it, pull back. I'm telling you, time saver. Follow the link in the descriptions, then pick you up a pair today, and you won't regret it.